Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm getting ready to work on day 23. So I don't have an intro video for you because this is going to be a really quick, easy one. Day 23, we had a second snow day, so I thought it would be fun to just do a little bit of embellishing here with some 2x2 pocket pages with some products that I had. So I'm cutting up some of this American Crafts Star Transparency. And if you saw in the very beginning there, I trimmed off one of the edges of the 6x8 transparency. So it's only going to be 8 blocks instead of 12. So I've got some die cuts here from the 2x2 die cut pack. One is of a winter hat that's a circle, and I'm cutting out the home. This is No Place Like Home to match it as a circle. I could have grabbed a punch, but it was slightly smaller, so I figured it'd be easier to just hold it up like a die cut and cut it. And then I'm just pulling in the 23 from the chipboard pack and some stars that kind of have some snowflake looking pieces on there. I also had originally grabbed that around here heart and ended up not using it. So for my title, I'm using some older Amy Tangerine foam blue glitter thickers. I've had these for a while, but apparently I've never used them because none of the characters are missing. And I'm just going to spell out the word snow on the blocks that have the star transparency with gold. And so I'm just tucking those inside, and I'm going to actually put the stickers on the outside because they're pretty dimensional. And so I'm just picking those out. The S and the W were on one side of the sticker pack, and the N and O were on the other, which is why I did those two first. And so just getting those in place, I'm going to end up tucking the number 23 chipboard inside the pocket. It fits in just perfectly. And off camera, I'm going to end up backing that in some white cardstock just so it wasn't the plain Jane brown cardboard. That was one of the foam thicker pieces, I guess you'd call it, from the main kit that said Super Basic December Day. Stuck that on the outside of the page protector as well. And then you can see on the back I was planning to use that heart, but instead I decided to take the tag that said Let It Snow just to bring a little bit more black into the layout. And I'm going to cut that into a circle. So I did check my trash to see if I could find the little tiny piece of sticker paper that I had ripped off, but I couldn't find it. It had disappeared. So I grabbed one of the other foam thickers so I could just use that as a piece to cut around. And since I didn't want it to buckle or try to force it on the inside of the pocket and get it taped in place, I decided just to use some red line tape and tape it on the outside of the page protector as well. It should be good. And I was going to go with two of the like tan colored stars back to back, but I ended up switching one to white and black just again to help bring in some more black. And I actually like the fact that the foam thickers on the back side still show blue. It's kind of fun. So I decided that I wanted to add some white pom-pom trim to the edge. So I'm using my 1/8 inch red line tape on the back side of the page protector. I'm just using the edge of my scissors there to help really rub it into place. And I was thinking that I might try to peel the red line tape back in little pieces and then put it in place, but the way this was curved, I really needed to put it down in the middle, and it made it easier to then put the edges down straight. So I was really having a hard time getting it started. And then, like I said, I kind of just was able to place it down straight in the middle, and then it made it a lot easier to position it into place. For some reason, that side was just a little bit more curved in where I had originally planned to start. So just getting finished up, I'm going to end up trimming off a few of the pom-poms actually with some scissors, and then using a little sticker tab from an old December Daily set just as a way to give myself something to grab, because I was trying to grab it in the album and it was kind of hard to pick up against the photo. I didn't want to be scratching at the photo. So I thought that that was a cute little way to add a little bit of extra something. And I had one that was blue. It says the word snow, so it's a little bit repetitive, but still came out really cute anyway. I did check the fun gold ones from this year's set, but I didn't have any where the words made sense. So really quick, easy one, but happy with how that one came out, and I can't wait to get started on the Christmas layouts. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.